Hey guys, my name is Sinisha, and today I'm going to talk about application management. So let's go. Okay, so let's have a look at the application management. This is an overview of the module that's currently mostly a supporting module for configuration management and image management, but it will grow over time. So what you see here is the latest applications that were uploaded to this account. You see the number of installations and error that occurred. You see the used space that all of your packages that you uploaded are consuming in the backend. And you see the API endpoint that for security reasons is described here. So if you have like restrictive internet access rules at your company, you can like take this address, open it up for the firewalls to make the communication to our backend possible. So let's have a look. So if I go to applications, here you can see all the applications that were added, and basically the application management is based on the PowerShell app deployment toolkit. So if you're using the toolkit and creating applications or have at least a lot of applications available, you just zip it, put it here, can upload it, and during the upload our backend is looking at the PowerShell script file, at the parameters you created, and will this make available when we assign applications to groups. And I will show that now. So groups are again used like, for example, in image management to have a special use case. For example, it could be a group that is like Windows 10 baseline applications or security applications, monitoring agents. You can put them in a group and then start playing Lego with them and create the roles out of those groups that describe then the specific use case those applications are for. But the thing is, because we are looking at the PowerShell script when we upload it, and I'm now going to create a demo group for this purpose here. Copy just the description here over. So if I go to available applications, I see a lot of applications that are available here, and I will now search for Citrix VDA to show you how to configure those applications without having to hard code all the parameters inside application packages. So the moment I click on plus, I get another option to configure how the installation should look like. So because these all here, what you can see are parameters inside the installation script, you can now just use the front end to configure it. So basically I can here put in an all, I can disable experience metrics, whatever. Can go through all of those options, and the moment I'm ready feel that I did everything that is needed, I click on save, and this application is automatically added to the selected applications for this group. And this is something that I can do for all available applications that I have here. I can, for example, use this 7-zip evergreen package, click on plus, then the options change, so the parameters are different. I can change here the deploy mode, for example. When I'm done, I click on save. And what I can do here on the group level with those applications is I can move them up and down and create an order of the application installation. So if I have prerequisites that need to be installed before, I can just move them over. And if I want to adjust the parameters for a specific package, I can do that here as well. And if I feel that I'm done with my group, I just click on save. Then it's available. And the next step is to go to the roles. And again, I can now simply create a new role. Just copy the description here again. And let's search for the group I just created. So I have this demo group here, I can add it. But I also have like other groups that I could add here as well. Maybe evergreen applications that I want to install. Same procedure. I can change the order of the applications, save that thing, and I'm ready to go with those roles here in the other modules. What I can also do is to test maybe those applications or groups that I created. Every role I have here, I have the option to download the PowerShell script, and I can run that on a packaging machine or a test machine. Just run that script and it will download all the applications from the group or the role, install them in the order I did it. I did configure it, and then just run it to see if everything is working as expected. That's it in short for the application management. Hope you like it. See you soon. Follow us on Twitter or YouTube for more information and more content. See you soon.